Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekend in my life in Canada. As you guys have seen that, I moved to a new condo and still the things are not settled. I am still on my settling stage and it's almost 15 days. But you guys know, 11 days. So you guys know it takes time and it's taking time for me as well. But there happened a big blunder in my life. There are certain things that I got from IKEA जो exactly fit नहीं हो रही है, and then we have to get them replaced, otherwise it will not get replaced because IKEA has a 90 days policy. So let's go together to IKEA without getting late and get the things returned, otherwise Imran is gonna kill me for sure. So let's go. So Imran, all set?
Yeah.
सामान डाल दिया सारा?
Yeah.
So let's go without further waiting. So we are just leaving and can you imagine what I realized? Every time it rains on a Saturday. बाकी Monday to Friday इतना अच्छा weather होता है ना, इतना अच्छा weather होता है. I don't know why it happens on a Saturday, right Imran?
True.
Like Saturday के दिन, you know, I don't know. Every time जब office जाना होता है, it's so bright and it's so sunny. But जब भी Saturday Sunday आता है and it's like that, it's raining. Can you imagine? Let me show you. ऐसे तो नहीं दिखेगा. Let me show you from the back camera. You just see, I don't know, camera is just showing the rain actually, but सच में बहुत बारिश नहीं हो रही है, but बारिश हो क्यों रही है? And see the clouds, it's fully cloudy, and बाकी टाइम इतना अच्छा मौसम होता है. God, oh my God, what is this? ये क्या है इमरान?
Ghost.
Bitch on board. See, this is crazy things that you get to see in Canada. इसने ऐसा क्यों किया होगा इमरान?
See yellow car, fancy
But इसने
car.
क्यों किया होगा ऐसा?
Hmm?
इसने क्यों किया होगा ऐसा?
Personal interest है भाई, इसमें क्या कर सकते
Personal interest. I don't. And something is hanging also. What is that?
हैं? I think there's a cat eye.
I want to see who is the person driving. have reached IKEA and you can see it's so windy. हमेशा Saturday के दिन मौसम पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे ही होता है. So our first stop will be IKEA and we'll go to that return section. So we have finally reached IKEA and हम लोग जा रहे हैं to get the return and the exchange done. Imran has gone to get the cart. Oh, Imran is here. So let's just put all the stuff. Imran is already mad at me, right Imran? Or no?
Mad? Mad for what?
Of the things, it is today, it's a weekend and हम ये exchange returns खेल रहे हैं.
So today's day is return day.
It's a return,
Return
it's a
exchange.
full exchange and a return day. Hopefully I don't get more of things. It's gonna be return, like जो वापस दे रहे हैं उसी के बदले कुछ ला रहे हैं. There's no nothing new, right Imran?
Yeah.
So let's go. Inside, and for returns we have to first sign up in the tablet, which Imran is doing, and they will call us after we have, like, you know, we got all the information correct. So let me show you from the back camera. With the returns and IKEA has a very good policy about returning. Like obviously अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट को कोई डैमेज वगैरह नहीं किया है, you can get return within 90 days, and there are certain things in IKEA which you can get returned in 365 days. Can you imagine? So my return is done. I have to check certain plants, like indoor plants. So I don't know, मुझे नहीं idea है, मैंने कभी लाइफ में plants नहीं खरीदे. So I'll go to the plant section. Hopefully I don't get distracted to other sections. Just stick to the plant section and I'll leave for sure. So let's go and get the plants. So we have this as an option, right?
This is fake.
Everything is fake here. This is one option. ये कौन सा है?
Polteska.
Magnolia. I don't know what is it. So I have this option. I have this option. And I have that option also, है ना?
They are big.
इसके leaves कुछ अच्छे लग रहे हैं, है ना? This is this leaf, and this is something bamboo types, but I don't know. I'm not sure about it. And this is also one thing. I'm so confused. एंड आई थिंक अदर साइड से भी है. एंड दिस इज ऑल आर्टिफिशियल है. यहाँ पे सारे पॉट्स वगैरह मिलेंगे. तो दीज आर द ओरिजिनल वंस एंड वी आर सो कन्फ्यूज. ये वाला अच्छा लग रहा है बट आई डोंट नो, सो कन्फ्यूज विच वन टू टेक. ये सारे यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल है. दीज आर ऑल द ओरिजिनल प्लांट्स. ये अच्छा लग रहा है बट इमरान इसमें, और कैन यू गेट दैट वन आउट? वो जो वो वाला है ना, वो बाहर निकालना तुम एक बार. ये वाला, हाँ ये वाला एक बार बाहर निकाल के देखो. आई जस्ट वांट टू सी हाउ विल इट लुक. या नो नो नो, दैट इज़ व्हाट वी वांट. बट इसके जो ये लीव्स वगैरह ये सीधे हो जाएंगे या ये ऐसे ही होता है? एंड ये कौन सा है? ये palm है. Oh yeah, this is the palm. I think I like this one. So we are so confused with the plants. We are confused with this. And Imran, second option कौन सा है? इमरान को ऐसा लग रहा है ये बहुत फैल के है. But I don't know what to do. Imran, what do you want to say? You don't like it?
This is too broad.
But that's fine. Plants are broad, right? We are buying the plants for the first time in our entire life. And I don't know, I'm so confused. हमें आर्टिफिशियल नहीं अच्छे लगे. दे लुक रियली आर्टिफिशियल. एंड दिस इज द या बिकॉज दिस हमने ना ज़िंदगी थोड़ा रियल जीनी पसंद है. जस्ट किडिंग. सो दिस इज द palm one and it's an indoor one. So I think we should go. This is good? Are you happy or no?
Let's go.
Okay, let's take this one. I think this is good, yeah. This is the good one. Final देख लो. I'm buying a plant for the first time in my life. This is good? उससे बेटर यही लगा जो पहला वाला वहाँ पे रखा है.
ठीक है ना, that is too broad.
That one is too broad or this one is too broad?
ये ठीक है, this is compact. हमें देखो compact चाहिए.
ये compact कैसे है मतलब?
Size.
Okay, and what about that? उसके लीव्स भी थोड़े ऐसे ऐसे डर्टी लग रहे हैं ना. और इसके प्लांट के लीव्स कुछ अजीब लग रहे हैं मुझे.
ये कुछ अलग है, right?
So I think we should go with this one. And now we have to finalize the pot as well. I think for that we have to go over there. Let's go. Look at this stand. This is so cute stand. Oh my god. Now I have to search for a pot. पता नहीं pot कौन सा वाला फिट आएगा. ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है. We have here as well the pots. I don't know which one will look good. Cactus I found. Imran, अच्छा लगा या नहीं?
Okay, it's nice.
I don't know. I like the red and एक yellow color का भी cactus होता है. So I really want it. But I have heard from my friends that, like, you know, having a cactus at home is not good. So what do you think? Should we take it or not?
Not sure, Fiba.
So you let me know in the comment section. Should we keep cactuses at home or no? I don't know. I like it a lot, but for now I'm keeping it back. So after 500 years, we have decided this pot. And this is good. हम लोग confused थे with this and this one. This is very heavy, but it's good too. एक बार इसको यहाँ पे रखना. So we were decided with ये glass का है ना, मतलब glass नहीं, like that. And this is also, but this is going good, right? So we are good with this. So finally we have decided our plant. So we have finally decided our plant with the pot. Finally, after 500 years, I don't know how to maintain plants, but Imran, it's your duty for sure. Oh yeah, this is real obviously, so we have to maintain it. And हमने बाकी थोड़ा बहुत सामान लिया जो हमारे kitchen and everything में necessary था. Now we are going to eat something because we badly want to eat. And you know what's the favorite thing here? IKEA food court. And I am badly craving for their coffee and the samosa. So let's grab that first. I am in love with the IKEA coffee. This is so nice. Oh my god. Their cappuccino is the best and just for $2. Can you imagine this awesome coffee for $2? This is the best coffee. Imran, this is one of my best coffee. You want it? We got the fish and chips and we got our favorite samosas. So let's just grab everything because I'm super hungry. So guys, I am in the warehouse of IKEA. Basically what happens, as you have seen in my previous vlog, ऊपर जैसे वो चीज़ें डिस्प्ले में की हुई है, you have to take a picture and then here are the things. वहाँ पे लिखा होता है कौन सी आइल में है, which bin you have the particular product. So last time Imran ने अपना computer table देखा था. Now we are searching because last time it was not in stock. So we are just searching. We already have the photo and everything. Now Imran is searching. That is the computer table there or no? We got it.
This is the one.
Finally we got the table. So basically you have to search yourself कि कौन सा वाला प्रोडक्ट आपने ऊपर देखा था, so that you take the picture and come here and get your product. And the best part is get it fixed by yourself at home, right? Imran, are you ready again?
That's the main thing.
So Imran got the table and Imran has to fix it by himself. Because Imran, you cannot expect the same thing from me, right?
Yes.
I'm so bad at it. Is this the one? Are you sure?
Yes. This is the
Sure about it?
100%.
Canada makes you do everything. Every damn thing. जो इंडिया में नहीं किया है ना, वो कनाडा में करना पड़ेगा, राइट? इमरान ने इंडिया में ऐसे कभी नहीं किया. Not even me, right? Imran, how is the feeling of again fixing another table? I think you should start a part-time job in this.
Well, let's go and
Fix this.
fix this one.
We have the tools already, right?
Tools are ready. I'm ready.
Chalo, let's go. I think we are done, right? Our majority of the things are done and we are going into the billing section. Bye. This is the first time in IKEA. We are not taking anything faltu, right, Imran? कुछ भी फालतू नहीं लिया ना? For
What
the
do you
first ever time. I don't think so we have taken anything wrong.
You are going for exchange. Can I have returns?
So what? Exchange और return तो नहीं लिया
This
exact.
time हमने ज़्यादा ले लिया as compared to the
Because last time तुम्हारा table नहीं था. That's why. It's not my thing. It's your thing.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So yeah, we are finally at the billing section. It's Saturday.
Go to the human store.
Oh yeah, we have to return because I had certain things got from H&M online which I have to return.
So I can
So
say
यहाँ
that
पे today is a return day for us. Fully return day, but return के बदले हम return नहीं ले रहे हैं.
Return and exchange.
Return and exchange तो है, but वापस भी कुछ extra भी तो ले ही रहे हैं. Like your table and the organizers and the dustbin and many more things. So
Let's go
यहाँ
to the
के
next stop.
हाँ. So we have Vaughan Mills बिल्कुल नज़दीक. कितना है हमारे यहाँ से? 2 kilometers, yeah. So I got certain things from H&M which I have to return. So nearby is Vaughan Mills, so we are quickly gonna go
IKEA is
and
sorted.
IKEA is sorted and we'll be returning them. And that's it. It's Saturday and look at the lineup at the back. What can we expect on a Saturday? So let's see कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ पे. You know what? मुझे क्या दिख रहा है बिलिंग सेक्शन में वेट करने के लिए?
क्या दिख रहा है?
I saw one thing which I cannot resist. Can you guess? अगर तुमने सही guess किया ना?
I guess yogurt.
Yes. How can we miss the yogurt?
Let's
You know
go
what,
for
guys?
the
If you are in
strawberry
IKEA, just
Strawberry
have
vanilla.
the last time raspberry. It's the raspberry and they have the vanilla. Last time हमने
Also the
raspberry किया. I think I should go with vanilla this time. No, I cannot have it.
vanilla. But I will do.
Why? How can we miss the yogurts when you are in IKEA? So whoever is in IKEA, don't miss the yogurts.
Let's go for
They
vanilla.
have the best yogurts ever you have in life. Not in life, but they have the best yogurts. So I'll have the one. I swear this is one of the best yogurts ever. Imran, what you have to say anything about it?
Let me just try. This is vanilla.
This is the one because last time हमने raspberry खाया था, so I just wanted to go a little bit different this time.
It's nice.
It is the best. पता है कश्मीर में ना एरिना आइसक्रीम है.
I prefer Costco.
Costco. No, but you know in Kashmir we have one arena. उसका जो vanilla.
vlogs like that.
Yeah, you can see in the Kashmir vlogs. This is somehow like this, but it tastes like that
But the
only.
main part arena is arena with mango shake.
मुझे
Delhi
तो ये
combination.
exact वैसी लगती है.
अच्छा, but this is nice. But I think mango वाला होना
But this
चाहिए.
is little bit like you know on a healthier side because it's in yogurt.
this is
So
not-
इतना sugar नहीं है इसमें like an ice cream. So that's why I prefer it a lot. I just love this ice cream. So now our biggest challenge is where to fit the plant. And I am pretty sure Imran can definitely do this. So now let's see how Imran is going to fit the plant. So we have successfully done the plant thing at the back. You can see it's all set, है ना?
Car is all
I
green.
hope घर तक ठीक पहुँचे.
It's good.
कोई हिलेगा तो नहीं इमरान? तुमने अच्छे से रखा? I need water too. So we are going to Vaughan Mills now. See you in the Vaughan Mills. So we are inside the Vaughan Mills. It's super duper packed. Big. So oh wow, we have the first stop जहाँ पे हमें exchange कराना है at the H&M. So let's go inside and return. So guys, we are finally done with H&M. जो return करना था वो कर लिया, and I had to get certain things from H&M, which is done. Without further distraction inside, we are leaving the mall because it's quite late also. 9 o'clock ये बंद होता है. And let's see what's gonna be the next stop, because it takes like 1 hour to reach home because we don't take highways and all that stuff. So let's sit in the car because I'm super duper tired. So finally guys, we have reached home, and now the most important thing is plant को ऊपर कैसे लेके जाए, right Imran?
Huh?
In the lift we can take it, but the thing is how to drag it till the lift because बहुत heavy
You
है.
have to hold it.
Okay, मैं बाकी सारा सामान लेती हूँ. You just take the plant. Fine?
Done.
Imran all set? Imran गाड़ी के ऊपर क्यों रख रहे हो? But why are you taking the paper out? Imran, are you sure you can do it? You can do it? You can do it? Okay, let me open the lift. Lift को time लगेगा आज आने में. Because of this Saturday, I don't know what's happening. Oh God, please come fast. Please, please, please. So guys, we are finally back home, and you can see the beautiful plant in the background. It's looking so beautiful. I just loved it. मुझे ऐसा ही plant चाहिए था, but इमरान के लिए I don't know. Imran is like ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही फैला हुआ है. So I think we can like you know tie it down at the bottom. I don't know. मुझे तो ऐसे ही अच्छा लग रहा है. But यहाँ पे ना मतलब specifications is very important. Especially the people living in condo, they already have limited space. As you guys know, my whole day went exchanging, returning. But you know what's the best part about Canada that I like the most? You can get the stuff returned so easily. Even like you know, even if you have used it and you know you don't misuse the system, but there are certain people who misuse the system. But अगर genuinely आपका reason है return का, they don't ask you as much as questions as you know back home in India. You cannot get things returned easily. But here in Canada, that's the best thing. You get returned everything. If you have certain problems, just explain, you're good to go. So I got the returns. As you guys have seen, the whole vlogging was for returning the stuff. The whole vlog for the day was for returning. If you do like this video, please like the video and do subscribe my channel. Just do it right now. Okay, bye. Good night. See you in the next vlog.